All right, I want to talk about two things to do before you start getting busy with your BambuLab A1. So I just unboxed the BambuLab A1 and did my first initial test print. And there are two things that I want to do to upgrade. Number one, we have this textured PEI plate, which is very nice, dual-sided, very useful. And what it does is it provides a nice little texture for the prints that you make like this one. However, if you want to get into any particular niche such as jewelry making, or if you want to perhaps do some sort of different type of texture on the bottom, you can swap out to a custom plate. So this is a build plate PEI, dual-sided, for the BambuLab A1, and this is one of the first upgrades I'll be doing. Very simple. One side is got this tessellated pattern here that's very nice. The other side is more of a carbon fiber finish look. And so for my prints, I'm going to be doing this side up. So that's the first thing I'll be adding to the build. And this is an easy setup. And I really like that the plates have this guide here. Very helpful. That's something that the Hardened does not have, or most other 3D printers most likely. Next up is something a little bit more technical, and that is a Hotend kit. Now, you may be asking me why I'm trying to replace the Hotend when I just received this A1. And that, my friends, is because it is not made of hardened steel. So the ones that come with your 3D printer out of the box do not come with hardened steel. And this is why we see problems with the A1 in upcoming weeks for most new users of the 3D printer. Sometimes it depends on the material you're using of this filament, but over time, these things tend to clog up because it's not meant to handle the filaments that we're using. So in this case, I'm unscrewing this so I'm unscrewing the cover for the Hotend so I can replace it. So you snap that off, cut the filament, remove the black silicone sleeve. Pop open sling buckle and grab and pull on the radiator to remove the Hotend. And voila, we have it out. And as you can see, the filament is in there. Now this is just a quick swap. You can just swap it back in. And this is hardened steel. And this should last a lot longer, allow me to print with different filament. Put on that sleeve again. Okay, sleeve is on. And put the cover back on. Snap that back in place. that I've done. And I think that'll help make the BambuLab A1 experience better. If you have any more suggestions or tips, leave them in the comment section below. And subscribe as always. Thanks for watching.